In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit big picture mode on Steam. So the first thing I'm doing here is opening Steam and making sure I'm currently inside big picture mode. Once the big picture interface is on screen, I'm looking down toward the bottom left corner where the menu option is located. This is where Steam keeps the main navigation controls for big picture mode. Now that I've found it, I'm clicking menu. As soon as I do that, a list of options appears on the screen. I'm moving through that menu and looking for the option labeled power, because that's where Steam places shutdown, restart and exit choices inside this mode. At this point, I'm selecting power. Once I click it, another set of options appears. I'm now looking for exit big picture, which is the setting that returns Steam back to the normal desktop interface. Now I'm clicking exit big picture. Steam processes the change right away, and I'm just waiting a moment while the full screen interface closes. After a few seconds, Steam switches back to the regular desktop version with the normal window layout. I'm taking a quick second here to confirm the change worked by checking that the standard Steam interface is visible again and the big picture screen is gone. If that's what I see, then everything was successful. So just to go through it while I'm doing it, I open Steam in big picture mode, click menu at the bottom left corner, select power and choose exit big picture. And that's really all there is to it. Once you know where the menu and power options are, leaving big picture mode only takes a few seconds. You can use the same steps anytime you want to return to the normal Steam desktop layout.